Today we're making Lemony Butter Cookies. These delightful little cookies are simple to make and they bake up with a light and crisp texture. They're flavored with fresh lemon juice and grated lemon peel. So let's get baking this sweet little delight.
We have a short list of ingredients, starting with 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of softened butter. We add 1 large room temperature egg. We want this light and fluffy. We're adding 1½ cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, along with the zest from 1 lemon. I like to use a spatula to finish this dough. Now we cover this and refrigerate it for 2 hours. I roll these cookies between 1/4 inch to 1/8 of an inch. The 1/8 of an inch cookie is more like a lemony crisp. Sprinkle them with sugar, and our cookies go into a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. This is the batch I rolled to 1/8 inch thickness. They cook 10 minutes and they're done when the edge just gets a little bit golden brown. Leave your cookies on the baking sheet for 1 minute before transferring them to a wire rack to cool. A dainty, beautiful, crunchy cookie